Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you how to place video inside text effect. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. For suggestions on what you want us to do next a tutorial on, leave a comment down below. Firstly, go to texts, select the basic 6 and drag it to the timeline. Now go to advanced. I will choose the impact font with size 200. Then write down your word. Now you can choose an animation of your choice. We will go with typewriter animation. Adjust the duration right. And then export this. Now drag the exported file into the timeline with your footage. Adjust the duration of the footage to the exported file. After that, we're going to choose a transition. I like those TV damage transitions. Make sure to change the blending mode to screen and adjust the brightest part in between. I got the transition and the footage from Elements in Envato. I will put a link in the description. Now click on the exported file, go to compositing and change the blending mode to multiply. That's it for this video guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.